Hi there, Emma here, from Proven Signals. In this video, I want to show you my Accelerator Oscillator indicator strategy. This is a 5-second trading strategy that's profitable when used the right way. So how to use the Accelerator Oscillator? First, set chart type to line chart, and then set screen size to 1 hour. An Accelerator Oscillator, by signal, occurs when the bars are below the zero line, and we go from a red bar to a green bar. And an Accelerator Oscillator, sell signal, occurs when the bars are above the zero line, and we go from a green bar to a red bar. We now see that we are above the zero line, and go from a green to red bar in the Accelerator Oscillator indicator, so this is a sell signal. 5 seconds later this expired a nice $192 payout. Let's see if we can find one more setup in another pair. Here as well we are above the zero line, and go from a green to red bar in the Accelerator Oscillator indicator, so this again is a sell signal. And one more $192 payout. The best Accelerator Oscillator settings are short periods set to 5, long periods set to 34, and SMA simple moving average periods set to 5. We tested this trading strategy 100 times and the results was great. With 87 wins and only 13 losses, that gives you a win rate of 87%. Not bad for such a simple strategy. And with the advantage of 5-second expiration and the ability to trade any OTC market, you will find a lot of setups every day. Click the link in the description to join our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more.